Where's she at?
In her room filled with that
Step out
knife.
here with me, okay? Step out here, man. You any dogs or anything?
Taylor, she's nice.
Okay. What you doing?
Do you want me to take him to the
You got any
car?
weapons or anything on you? Okay, Rocky.
Hi, pup.
Ooh, sweetie.
No, hey, sir, come on, just step out there and
No.
talk for a second. Okay, what's going on?
Good night.
I got you. Anybody else in the house, man?
He's a crybaby ass that likes to cheat on me.
Stop.
Oh my God.
What's going on? What's your dog up, sir? I'll get bit. Hey, Puppy, listen, stop. What's going on today? I know, sorry about that. Oh, 1 second. You step in there and talk to him. Hey, what's going on? Hey, I'm not going to ask you again. Chill out. What's going on?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm standing in my front door.
Okay, but what's going on? Hey, stop.
Stop grabbing me.
Smack you in the face? I don't think so. Absolutely not. You got hurt? Yep. All right, see you back.
All right, man.
What up?
Oh, do you want EMS?
Pause right there. That line, "I'd rather charge a gun than a knife," tells you everything about how dangerous this situation felt in the moment. Legally speaking, once a knife is introduced, we're no longer talking about a simple domestic dispute. This is aggravated battery territory in many jurisdictions because a deadly weapon is involved. Even if the injury is minor, just a nick, the intent and the act of swinging a knife elevate the seriousness dramatically. And notice his demeanor, calm, almost minimizing it. But should he be downplaying a blade being swung at him? Ask yourself, if someone swings a knife at you 4 times, is that something you just brush off?
No, it's
anything
just a little
medical?
nick. She was just
Okay.
swinging and it barely nicked me.
You kind of.
Yeah,
So,
I was trying to go for the arm. I'd rather charge a gun than a knife.
yeah.
And yeah, she just got me a little bit.
Okay. Yeah. Let me. Did she get you anywhere else, or just?
Not that I know of.
Okay. You care? Here, turn around. I'm gonna just double check, make sure.
You know,
Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna take a picture of that real quick.
sorry, I'm shaking.
You're fine, man. Alrighty. So from the very beginning,
Woke up.
whenever.
Took
Okay.
a piss.
Okay.
Apparently she went through my phone. I have a contact, Jay. I have a friend named Jay. She deleted every single female on my phone.
Okay.
Because, I mean, I had to do the same thing just because, giving her the same treatment she was giving me.
Yeah.
Woke up, went to go piss. She freaked out saying, "Who the is Jay? This is Jasmine. This is Jasmine." I'm like, "I don't know. You deleted her off my phone. I do have a buddy named Jay."
Okay.
She called.
Yeah.
My buddy didn't answer. His girl answered. And so she freaked out. And she said, I told you. Grab the knife from in there. And then I tried calling you guys once. And it's like, no, I'm just going to call her mom. Her mom was like, can you text me? I'm like,
Yeah.
She's got a knife. I'm just going to call the cops.
Yeah. Yeah.
Her mom usually can calm her down. But she was a knife. And
Yeah. Yeah. No, you did the right thing. 100%. You did the right thing. So.
You want us to pursue charges on her for this?
This is one of the most pivotal moments in the entire encounter. He says no. He doesn't want to pursue charges, even after being cut. And this is something viewers often misunderstand. In domestic violence cases, the victim doesn't always control whether charges move forward. The state can still prosecute if there's evidence of a crime. Why? Because domestic violence dynamics often involve emotional attachment, fear, or reconciliation attempts. The law is designed to step in when someone might not advocate for themselves. So even though he declines, the officers already know, once a weapon and injury are involved, this isn't just a private matter anymore.
no, she just needs to get back on mad.
So you don't want to pursue charges for her stabbing you.
I mean, it's a little Nick. I'm not.
It's up to you, man. Hey, it's anyone wants to contact. It does not matter.
Yeah.
And there it is. The situation just escalated beyond the couple, fighting an officer as an entirely separate criminal charge, and that's something the state absolutely prosecutes. At this point, it doesn't matter whether he forgives her. The moment she allegedly resisted or assaulted law enforcement, the case expanded. Now we're talking about battery on an officer, which carries serious consequences. This is a textbook example of how quickly things spiral. What started as jealousy over a phone contact now includes a weapon, injury, and resistance to police. One emotional reaction, multiple legal consequences.
I mean, she's going to jail regardless. She fought one of our officers. She's going to jail.
Jesus.
Yeah, so it's if you want to pursue charges against her. Completely up to you.
No, let her deal with that. I just needed a witness. I mean, I can't. I'm not gonna hit a. I'm not gonna hit a girl. Well,
That's what I know.
crazy. I mean,
I'm not. I'll be honest. I haven't been on too long, but I do know that that's it for now.
yeah. No,
Is this the first time she's ever done anything like this?
I have pictures on my phone of her on my face. That was the first time I should have called you guys.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm just gonna call her mom.
So there's.
It was a bigger one than that, but yeah, I didn't know that one was in there too. I bet it's between the bed and the wall.
When the officer confirms there's a history, that changes the lens entirely. Prior incidents, even if unreported, establish a pattern, and patterns matter in court. Judges consider repeated aggression when determining bond conditions, sentencing, and protective orders. Notice he even admits he should have called before. That hesitation is common in volatile relationships. But here's the hard question. Does ignoring earlier red flags make future violence more likely? Many domestic cases escalate because earlier warning signs weren't addressed. This moment subtly reveals this wasn't an isolated explosion. It may have been building for months.
So there's a history of this.
Yeah,
I've heard
she is
doing this.
not with just me, but with the other dudes, and yeah, I guess I just got tired of it.
And then are you guys dating or?
Dating.
Okay. How long have you guys been dating?
Since like Super Bowl of last year. So
Okay.
Of this year, actually.
Okay.
So not that long, and it's been literally it's been on and off because of her wanting to fight and just cause drama.
Yeah. So does she live here too?
Yeah, that's her room.
Okay.
She has a roommate, Jared, who also helps pay out the rent. He's in St. Louis. He's like an electrician right now. He comes here.
I get that.
Few days.
Did dispatch get your information and everything?
I don't think so. I was just too busy on the phone with you guys.
No, I get it. 100%, man.
That's Kayla Hopper, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
okay.
How long have you been dating?
Since like it's been literally on and off. This is probably the 8th
Since Super Bowl.
of like February.
Gotcha.
Whenever the Super Bowl was.
All right. What's your name, date of birth?
Let me see.
It's just a little neck.
Oh. Wow.
It's
Marion
not
18, I got
sharp
one by
knife,
name and date of
but,
birth.
I mean, she just. I don't have to go grab it.
You want to go to the hospital?
No,
So like a actual chef's knife, is what it looks like?
Yeah, it's like a miniature chef knife.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's
What colors, do you remember?
black and silver, just like that one, but it's the blade is a little bit thicker.
2-9.
Your tetanus up to date?
I wasn't too sure. Last time I got my tetanus shot was in the Army, and that was in 2019, I think.
So where exactly did it happen? Did it happen in
It
the
happened
living room?
literally right here.
Okay, kind of in the hallway?
Yeah, right here is whenever she actually started swinging, and then
Okay.
you're right there, and that's whenever I tried to grab her hand and she got my pinky.
So she was back where you are and you were
She was
where
right
I am?
here. She was right where you're
Okay.
at, and I was trying to walk out, calling the phone. Well, she had my phone, was threw it at the wall, and I grabbed it, and then she grabbed the knife, and yeah.
Okay, so you were
Walking
back there,
out, yeah.
walking out,
Yeah.
and she was
Right
right
there.
here next to the couch and was...
She swung about 4 times right there.
Okay.
And
4 swings. That detail is critical. In court, the number of attempts can demonstrate intent. One accidental swing might be argued as reckless. 4? That suggests persistence. And notice his response. He disengaged and called police. Legally, that strengthens his credibility as the reporting party who tried to de-escalate. Also important, he physically tried to leave. In self-defense law, attempting to retreat can be significant depending on the jurisdiction. This detail paints a clearer picture of who was escalating and who was attempting to exit. But let me ask you, if he hadn't called when he did, how much worse could this have gotten?
The one time got me on the pinky, and
Yeah.
the other times I just called you guys.
Yeah, that's a good thing to do. Rough time frame, you know, when the yelling started, when...
Literally within 5 minutes of me calling you guys. I called you guys the first time. That was immediately when it started happening because I'm not
Yeah.
done with the knife.
Uh-huh.
Then I called her mom. Her mom didn't answer twice. Then I called
Okay.
you guys again.
All right.
Yeah, that
I
time
think we
frame
got
was
all we need.
literally-
What
Then-
car did your mom drive?
Alexis.
Lexus. Okay.
Black Lexus.
The white Chrysler right here. What's that?
And then what does... I'm sorry, do you want to press charges on that?
Yeah, she can deal with assault with a cop. I'll be fine with a little pinky.
All right.
All right, man.
That works.
Thank you guys. I really appreciate it.
Take care.
In the end, despite the victim declining to press charges, the suspect was charged with battery and potentially more due to the altercation with officers. This case highlights a powerful legal reality. Once a weapon is used and officers witness probable cause, the state can move forward regardless of personal forgiveness. Jealousy triggered the confrontation, escalation brought out a knife, and resistance sealed the arrest. Domestic violence cases are often layered with emotion, denial, and second chances, but the law prioritizes public safety. The broader implication? Early intervention matters, red flags matter, and escalation can carry consequences that no apology can undo.